In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to locate all accounts linked to your Gmail Essential if you want to keep track of your data and manage connected services effectively. If this helps you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more valuable tips. You can follow along on either your phone or computer. Since Gmail operates under your Google account, this process applies to both. And here is how to start. Head to the top right corner of your Gmail page. Click on your profile icon and select Manage Google Account. Next, go to Data and Privacy on the menu. Scroll down until you reach the Data from Apps and Services You Use section. Under this, find and click on Third-Party Apps and Services to view all kinds of linked accounts. If you are having trouble locating it, try using the search bar in the top right corner. Once you are in, you will see a list of connected apps and services. For each one, click on it to view details, and if desired, scroll down to the bottom to disconnect it from your Google account. Found this guide useful? Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.